Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Samantha from the TV reality show Mnakwethu shocked everyone at the Mnakwethu reunion when she was asked by Mseleku who the father of her child is. Well, Samantha answered by saying that uQondanisa is the father to her child. Musa then went on to ask Samantha why she told uQondanisa that she wasn't sure who the father is between him and Diaz's brother. Samantha then went on to tell Musa that she wanted to spite uQondanisa and that she wanted to hurt him the way he has hurt her. Samantha mentioned how it disgusted her how men are praised for their cheating ways, and when women are cheating, they are called all sorts of names like Iswewe and more. She stated that she is an independent woman and that she doesn't need a man, and that her only focus right now is raising her child. And when she was asked to do a DNA test by uQondanisa and uMamkhulu for her child, she refused. Now you guys do engage with me in the comment section below. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.